In the landscape industry, a common scenario is this, where we have a defined area and plants on a set spacing, and we need to calculate how many plants we need for this area. Let me show you how to do this quickly and easily in LandOne. I'm going to add in a new material to measure. Let's do Liriope. And then I'm going to choose that it's the object group. And then I'll set my spacing. Here we have 18 inches. That's the spacing we need. We're going to choose a blue color and click Save. Now I can activate that material, and then I can begin clicking to outline this shape. We'll click once to outline it. Turn on my curve tool with the keyboard shortcut C to finish my curves, and then I'll double click to end it. And now you can see we've quickly calculated 33 Liriope for this area. I can enter selection mode. I can click it and see some additional details about this shape, such as the area and the perimeter here on the left hand side. This is a great tool to quickly calculate plants for ground cover or annuals, or use it in budget scenarios and concept plans to quickly bubble in areas to show your plant beds and get a plant count so you can get a price quickly to a customer.